Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Roblox enthusiast like me, you know how fun it is to customize your avatar. Today, we're tackling how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox in 2025. With the latest updates, Roblox has made it super easy to layer hairs for that unique, eye-catching look. Whether you're building a character for roleplaying or just want to stand out, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account and have a few hair items in your inventory. Roblox's 2025 update introduced a new Avatar Layers feature, which allows you to stack multiple accessories like hairs without them clipping. Start by opening Roblox on your device, whether it's PC, mobile, or console, and head to the Avatar Editor. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Avatar from the menu. Once you're in the Avatar Editor, look for the Accessories tab on the left side. Here, you'll see categories like hats, faces, and hairs. Select the Hairs section and browse your inventory for the items you want to wear. The key to wearing multiple hairs is using the layering system. Click on a hair item, then drag it to your avatar. If it's compatible, a Layer button will appear. Tap that to add it on top of your existing hair. Roblox now supports up to 3 hair layers per avatar, so experiment with combinations. If you run into issues, like items not layering properly, double-check that your hairs are from the same category or update your game to the latest version. Pro tip: use the Preview mode to see how everything looks before saving. It's a game changer for avoiding mistakes. There you have it. Wearing multiple hairs on Roblox in 2025 is straightforward and fun. This feature really boosts your creativity, so go ahead and try it out. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and drop a comment below with your wildest avatar ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.